Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And again, my whole theme, and probably going forward until it stops working for me, is just concentrating on these races, okay? And now I will admit today the races did not have the same sort of follow through on a lot of them that we had yesterday and the day before, but nonetheless, I have to show you this one. So look at WRAP winning that race 9%, and look what it did. Look what it did. I mean, it went from 213 all the way up to 354. Tremendous percentage increases, okay? And it kept winning and winning and winning and winning as it kept moving higher and higher and higher. And this has a lot to do with the decision today. Roe versus Wade. Okay, this is a gun manufacturer, so I mean that was a conjecture anyway. So a lot of those sort of stocks were just popping off that in your country, the Supreme Court decision. But the stock racing just absolutely nailed it. And whoops, oh heck, just a minute. There we go. The stock racing just absolutely nailed this one. We had BNTC early in the day. I actually had TNON early in the day also, and there was one other one that I took. I can't remember what it was. I think it was TBLT. Yeah, TBLT. So again, these are really, these can be very quick hitters. You know, they're not for everybody. I get it. But, you know, you can take the racing that I've got and, you know, because you can always ask me for the format of it, and you can just adjust it. In other words, if you don't like the price range, you just make an adjustment to the price range. You know, if you want to see larger cap stocks, just, you know, add in the market cap filter and put in a minimum cap that you want. I mean, the reason I like these is because, you know, I am sitting and watching intensely or intently and intensely. And so I'm able to take advantage of these huge, quick moves. Excuse me. And of course, managing them and getting out of them on the way down. I mean, that's the other thing. Cannot leave your computer when you get into these low float situations. Excuse me, something went down the wrong way. So anyway, guys, that's it. Concentrating on the racers all next week. You know, I'm almost exclusively doing that. I have pared down, taken off a lot of my alert windows. I really only have a couple of windows now that I'm following, and that's it. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.